Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to print the square of the numbers in a list using for loop. I'm writing a for loop for I in a list 1, 2, 3 followed by a colon. So for is the keyword of the for loop, I is the loop variable, in is the operator which connects the loop variable with the list which is given in the square bracket which contain three elements 1, 2 and 3. So each iteration I will take the value from the list one by one. First iteration I will take 1, second iteration I will take 2, third iteration I will take 3. Once the list is over, the loop will get terminated and control will transfer to the next statement after the loop. To write something in the loop body, you have to give an indentation. This stands for the statement which is indented or in the scope of the for loop. Here I am writing print string the square of and closing the string followed by the loop variable I, followed by a string is colon followed by I star I and closing the print statement. Here in the each iteration I will take the value one by one from the list. First iteration I will take the value 1 and I am getting an output the square of followed by the value of I is 1 and is the string followed by I star I, that is the square of 1 is 1 and next iteration square of 2 is 4, next iteration the square of 3 is 9. So in this way the program will work. Now we will execute the program and check the result. So this is my output. The square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.